I've marked off on the wall where I'm going to start my cabinet, and I scribed this piece of cardboard, made sure it came out level and everything. And I can take this and transfer this over to the cabinet so I can cut off the back edge on that angle. And this doesn't have to be 100% perfect because we'll have a little pencil molding on the top and on the side, but it has to be pretty close. So just like that, you can see there's a tiny gap here and there, but that's pretty much perfect. And it looks like the most important part is the bottom down here is as close to level as it can be. Again, you can't really level anything in a van because you don't know if the van's level, but you just kind of eyeball it and it looks pretty good to me. I purchased 3 of these cabinets from a supply shop nearby. They come in these boxes like this. This is 2 of them here, and then you just have to build them yourself. So once I've partially assembled them, that's the back panel there for the cabinet that I'm not going to use. I take my my template here, which goes on the ceiling, like so, and then I just marked it off on the cabinet how it needs to go, something like that. And I've already cut the panel off of this side here, as you can see. So now once I make sure this looks perfect on the wall, I can use this as my new template and cut both sides on each cabinet. So then this will go back here, and then I'll just need to rip a little bit off of each of these panels once I put it together and mark off where it needs to go. And like I said, I won't use the back panel. So what I'll do is I'll get 2 pieces of pine here and here, screw them through there, and then I'll use that pine to connect it to the wall in the studs. I'll show you how this is going to look in a second. Now you can see what the cabinet looks like after I've taken off the back side. So now I just need to attach 2 pieces of pine here to here, and then I can attach it to the wall. I've cut all my 1x3 pine down the size, so now I can connect everything. I'm just gonna glue all the seams and put some finished nails in, and then for the pine I'll put some probably 1.25 inch screws through there to make sure those hold. So this is how they came out, lined up really nicely. Just need to do some caulking here and here, and then again I'll have crown molding here. And then I'll probably do like a little pencil molding along that edge just to tighten up these seams. Came out really nice. So here's the finished product. You can see how I finished off the inside with the 1x3s here. And that holds them up. They're really sturdy, not going anywhere. I'll add some push button hardware on here to lock them in. That's gonna be it for this video. Next I'll probably be building the bed frame and getting started on that. Please like and subscribe if Got a bunch more videos coming out soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.